Hi everyone, this is just a quick video showing you how I connect the gas to my camping stove here. Okay then. Now I know it may be obvious to some of you how to hook it up, but if you've never had a camping stove before, you can be forgiven for thinking, how does it actually hook up to the gas and how do you get going on it? You know, what do you need, what parts do you need, etc. So that's all this video is. I'm just sharing what I've done and it may help one of you out there. So as far as I'm aware, these double burner sort of stoves need to use quite a large gas canister. I think that's what they recommend by the manufacturers anyways. And it's quite a large thing. I didn't want one of those if I could help it. I didn't want to find a space for it. I was wondering if I can use a more of a normal small gas canister and would it still work? Would it have enough power? And after doing a bit of digging around, I found somebody with an idea and it fit my bill exactly. So this is what I just want to share with you. And here it is, look, this is what I use. This is perfect for me. This is a normal gas canister, which you can buy anywhere. I get these for about £5 or £6. And crucially, this is the regulator that you need. I got this off eBay. I'll put a link to it in the description. I'll put a picture up if I can as well. And also another crucial point is the connection here. This is a gas inline quick connect fitting. And these go together, an absolute dream. Really simple, really fast, watch. This is 8mm gas pipe and this is just hooked onto the nipple of the stove there with the Jubilee clip, so that's really tight. Comes along into the quick connects and then again into the nozzle of the regulator there, so you can turn it on by that. And then once you're flowing, you can get your stove on. That one comes on no problem, and that one, so I can have them both on. And I've been using this for weeks. I've used it a number of times and it's working perfectly for me. Really good system, nice and compact. And I can move this around wherever I like, inside or outside, you name it. There. And then gas off like that. And these come apart really easy. I can do it one-handed, look, like that. And then that can be tucked away back in the cupboard and that can go away as well. So yes, that's all it was. I just wanted to show that in case it helps somebody out there if that's the kind of thing you're looking for. Like I say, I'll put the regulator and the quick connects in the description, what I've used, and that might just get you on your way to your ideal system. So thanks very much for watching. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you down the road. All right.